Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights. Did you know that under Philippine law, the validity of a marriage can depend on where it was celebrated? But there's a crucial exception that can make or break a marital union: a foreign divorce decree. In the landmark case of Bayot versus Court of Appeals, 2008, the Supreme Court explored this very issue, diving deep into the implications of Article 26(2) of the Family Code, which governs marriages between Filipinos and foreigners. Let's dive into the facts. Vicente and Rebecca were married in 1979 in Mandaluyong City. Rebecca was an American citizen, born in Guam to American parents, and this detail would later become pivotal. The marriage produced a child, Alex, but the relationship soon deteriorated. Rebecca initiated divorce proceedings in the Dominican Republic, where she successfully secured a decree dissolving the marriage. This decree allowed both parties to remarry, but they retained joint custody of their daughter. However, Rebecca wasn't finished. Less than a month after obtaining the divorce, she filed for the declaration of nullity of her marriage in the Regional Trial Court of Makati, only to withdraw it later. She then affirmed her American citizenship under oath and filed another petition, this time in Muntinlupa City, seeking to declare the marriage void on the grounds of Vicente's alleged psychological incapacity. Vicente countered by filing a motion to dismiss, arguing that the marriage had already been dissolved by the Dominican divorce, which, he claimed, should bar Rebecca's petition. Rebecca, however, insisted that she was a Filipino citizen at the time, as affirmed by the Department of Justice, and thus argued that the Dominican divorce had no legal effect in the Philippines. The legal issue. The core issue was whether a marriage between a Filipino and a foreigner could be dissolved by a foreign divorce decree obtained by the alien spouse, and whether such a decree could be recognized in the Philippines under Article 26(2) of the Family Code. This provision is crucial as it allows a Filipino who has been divorced by a foreign spouse to remarry, provided certain conditions are met. The Supreme Court's ruling. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of recognizing the foreign divorce. The court emphasized several key points. The Lex Loci Celebrations rule states that the validity of a marriage is generally determined by the law of the place where it was celebrated. However, Article 26(2) provides an exception, allowing a Filipino spouse to remarry if a valid foreign divorce is obtained by the foreign spouse. The divorce must be valid according to the national law of the foreigner. In this case, Rebecca was still an American citizen when she obtained the divorce in the Dominican Republic, where divorce is legally recognized. Therefore, the divorce was valid under U.S. law. The citizenship of the parties at the time of the divorce, not at the time of marriage, is what matters. Since Rebecca was an American citizen when she secured the divorce, the decree was valid and enforceable. Given the validity of the divorce, the marriage between Vicente and Rebecca was considered dissolved. The ruling allowed Vicente to remarry, as both requirements under Article 26(2), a valid marriage between a Filipino and a foreigner, and a valid divorce obtained abroad by the foreign spouse, were met. This ruling is a significant precedent in Philippine law, illustrating how international laws intersect with local regulations, especially in cases involving mixed nationality marriages. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.